Hi guys. Uh, hope everyone's okay. Um, I still haven't got my video, my computer fixed yet. Um, but I'm hoping it'll be this week. I can get back to doing what I like. Um, but right now I wanted to show you. This is one part of the sky outside my house. Okay. It's one part of the sky. Okay. And as we go along here, as we go along here, as we go along here, look at this. This is absolutely criminal. It's just fucking criminal. There's there's no other there's no other word for it. Look at that. I mean, this world is such a fucking beautiful place, and they've got to do this. They've got to do this to it. Look at that. Just tell me if anything of that is natural. Look, these motherfuckers are right on top of my house. And right where I'm standing now, I'm looking, there's a plane there. There's a plane more or less behind that satellite dish. And I think I can see one going through the cloud down the bottom there. There's three. This is frequency going through this. There's frequency. You can see it in the clouds. You can see it good. And this one over here, and this black one, you can see it in that black one there. You can see the frequency going through it. It's got like it's doing like the kind of wavy pattern, you know when they zap the fucking sky full of these frequencies. That's what you've got. And yeah, guys, that's it's been nice here. It's been nice here for the last 3 or 4 days. I mean, it's been nice. It's been nice blue sky over this way. It's been nice and blue and clear, and over this way it's like this all the time, constantly. And you wait until this night. You wait until what it turns into later. But I mean, what the fuck? Really, what the fuck? Look, and there's another one coming. There's another one coming. I'm sorry I don't have a better phone to get a clearer zoom. There you go, you can see him there. You can see him there now. You got another one going here. One here, one here. Look at that. I've got a feeling I want to go on top of my roof. I've got a feeling I should go on top of my roof, actually. In fact, I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna make this video. I'm gonna upload this video right as it is, and I'm gonna go on top of my roof and make another video. Okay, guys. Be well. Be well. Take care of yourselves and others. And we'll catch up later. Okay. I'm out for now.